Bud. Hey, don't bite me. Come on, Bud. Be nice. You know. Push it in. Push it in. Push it in. No, I'm filming. Come on, Bud. Let me get it. See, yeah. You're trying to be an old school sucker punk, huh? I'll distract him, you get it.
Try.
Gotta tag team him.
Okay. Gotta push it in. Oh! He's like, no.
Don't be so greedy. Share.
Drop the ball, Bud. Drop the ball.
Bud. Ooh. Bud. I'm not getting in there. Bud, hey Bud, look over here.
Oh, he's not even playing with you. He's like, no.
I'm messing with you.
But he wants you to do this. Yeah, he does.
Because he's messing with you, that's why. He knows.
He's playing the mind game, not these dogs.
I don't think so.
What's the ball, Bud?
Come on home, Skillet.
I ain't gonna throw it to you then.
Told you. He's got attitude.
Look it.
You shit no ball, Bud.
Who does he belong to? Him?
Yeah, he belongs to Father Warren.
Yeah, brothers and sisters?
Yes. He had 3 brothers. He had 4 girls.
Oh, so you were an only child.
Yeah.